Today I'm going to show you what you can do if you don't have a jelly plate at home. And jelly plates, as you know, are sort of spongy. So it's best to find some kind of spongy surface. I'm using just a towel here. You can use anything like foam, anything soft, but I'm putting a hardboard wood underneath it so that it doesn't sink in completely. And then I took some plastic, a piece of plastic that I just got some of these paper holders from Staples, and I'm putting it down here. And now all I'm going to do is take some tape, and I'm going to tape it down to the edges of the surface so that we have, now you can cut the towel the size of the plastic, and or you can just stick it down like this all the way around, so you have a good sturdy surface to work with. And then you can then put your paint on the surface, roll it on, and do your printing. So you can use the paint you can roll on with a roller, and then you'll be able to wipe this off when you're done. So have fun with that.